Welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy Ethereum on your Metamask. So once you've logged on to Metamask, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network. Click on Ethereum and then you would see the option to buy. Simply click on this buy, and by clicking on buy, you can either make transactions through your instant country transfer, Google Pay, or your debit or credit card, whatever method is easier for you. Now, if you were to buy Ethereum with a centralized exchange, you would open up your OKX, and with OKX opened up, all you need to do is make a deposit. And by simply clicking on this deposit icon here, you're going to be shown the different currencies that OKX accepts. You can have IOTA, ID, Space ID. We have the GMX, so many tokens, including the USDT. So you can simply deposit USDT, BNB, Ethereum. You could deposit anything here and just simply select the network. And once you've selected the network, all you need to do, or all that needs doing, is once you're done depositing, simply click on this icon at the top left corner of the screen and simply convert. But before you can do any of this, you're going to need an account on OKX. And by simply using our link in the description of the video, you're going to stand a chance to get a $10,000 worth of bonuses and welcomes gifts once you register with our link, and also get your account to a verification level 2 whilst making a deposit of $50 or more. So guys, once you've been able to deposit any cryptocurrency here, select Ethereum. Let's go with USDT. So let's say $10 worth of USDT is giving us 0.0052 Ethereum, which you could then withdraw by heading over to the assets menu, simply clicking this overview and clicking on withdraw, selecting Ethereum. You select Ethereum, ETH, click on ETH, select on-chain, and simply enter your MetaMask address as well as the network you're sending in, which is the ERC20. You paste your MetaMask address here, and select the network, enter the amount, which is 0.052, and boom, the Ethereum would then be deposited in your wallet. So with the Ethereum deposited, you could also swap any Ethereum token you have on your wallet by simply clicking on this Ethereum here and proceeding to click on swap. So once you've clicked on this, click on swap, and you could easily swap from any of your Ethereum tokens to an Ethereum. So let's say you have Arbitrum on the Ethereum network, 0.1 whatever, and simply click on get quotes, and now it's going to be fetching the quotes, and now you're going to be getting 0.08 of the Ethereum. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy Ethereum on MetaMask, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.